Hi friends, today we are going to study about execution of Python program. There are several ways in which Python programs can be executed. There are several editors also available like PyCharm, Idle, uh, Jupyter Notebooks and so on. Today we are going to learn about three things. One is Idle, which is a package which comes with the Python installation on Windows, and we'll study about command prompt and system prompt. First we'll see how to run a Python program using idle prompt. We'll start the idle prompt here. This is the idle prompt, and from here we'll go to file menu, click on new file. This is the editor where you can write the source code of the Python files. Write a sample print hello world, most common program, and we'll get an input. Press any key to continue. Right, this is the most simplest Python program, and save the program to the directory Python lab and name it as, suppose, hello.py. py is the extension of all the Python files. Now to run this program, just press run and run module. The shortcut is F5, and the same program will be executed on the Python shell. You can see here that we have printed hello world, the same output there, and press any key to continue as an input, waiting for the input. Right, so this is the program, how to execute it on the idle shell, Python shell in the idle. Second method is using the system prompt. Here you can start a command prompt and type Python. It will start the Python shell. Here we can write any sample code. For example, a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, and c is equal to a plus b, and print the value of c. 30. That is a way where we can write the Python programs directly on the Python shell. To quit it, write quit and circle brackets. Right. The other method is to using the command line. Here we'll go to the command prompt again. Here we'll go to the path where the Python files are stored. Suppose I have stored it on Python lab, and here we'll write Python hello.py, and it will execute the same program on the command prompt. Other way around, suppose we are on a different directory, right? Then we'll have to give the complete path. For example, we are on E drive, right? And we want to execute the program stored on a D drive, right? Then here we'll write Python d : Python lab / hello.py. Then the same program will be executed here. There are several other methods also how we can execute the same Python program. Go to the directory. For example, we have stored the hello.py in D Python lab. Double click on that file, and it will execute the same program on the command prompt itself, right? Or other method is you can drag the hello.py to the command prompt and just press enter. That is the other way you can execute the same Python program. Friends, we have seen different methods how we can execute the Python program using command prompt, system prompt, and idle. Thank you so much.